Sam just told me he hates me. Tell him why.
I fucking hate you, actually.
Ah.
Because you kicked that ball over the fence again.
Yeah, it wasn't directly over.
Directly over.
Tell him what we're doing.
Kicking a ball, as per usual.
Are we thinking it or are we just...
Do what you want, mate, whatever you think's going to work.
So we've got to make it stay in the chair?
Got to stay in the chair.
I think it's going to come just like that game in the fair.
Yeah, it's just like the game at the fair.
You can't see your face in there. Taking a piss out of him.
Fucking hate you. How's it like the game at the fair, anyway?
You've got to keep it staying.
Well, that don't make any sense. Great skills. Stop tensing. Yeah, whatever.
Hang on. So that... palm tree. Plane. Sam. Ball. Well, that is a bird. I don't know what the difference between a bird and a plane is. It's got to stay in there. He's going. I can't quite get you away. It's a little spinner.
Well, that's going to confuse everyone.
I don't want trouble. Jesus. So I'll get behind you. Ah, we're in. Whatever I've just stood in, it's just really at my feet. The grid.
Grid? I stood in the grid.
Still in the grid.
Such a retard. Prowsey, oh, a retard. Moan, fucking moan. What? The nappy look. It's hot. It's hot. This is our 4 o'clock shade in the garden. Devastating. What is that? You're awful at this.
Sorry, boy. So we've got a load of bugs flying around me, isn't there? Right, I reckon you've got it this time. You're going for little dinks, aren't you? You're going for little scoops.
Scoop ho.
Proper scoop. Breathed in. Breathe in, sunshine. Ah! Ah!
Oh, I was filming the bush then. Sorry, were you tensing? We should make a note not to make such long videos. They get pretty fucking boring. Last chance. What's he got? Nappy on. Fucking rubbish. Bye bye.